when I'm like, no, I'll just push it over, she's like, well, you won't go near the house. I'm like, no, it'll go where I want it to go. All right, first we gotta run up and grab the Bobcat from the future cabin site. Hopefully it don't rain today. It's supposed to be 70 and probably cloudy all day. Okay, so here's our starting point. They're getting this camper ready. It's actually a mobile home ready to live in. Anyways, these are all stumps right here. They've got marked with the white stakes, and a septic system's going to go in back here somewhere. And then back here in the backyard, they did a lot of work by hand. You could see the stumps here, but all these stumps have to go. This big tree has to go, and then moving down the field edge a little way, all the rest of the stumps are coming out, and all the autumn olives are going to come out. They'd like the woods to be open a little more so they could see in there. So that's what today's project is going to be, and I'll probably be back there Monday. We're supposed to trench in a new water line and maybe some more work. So let's hop in the excavator and get started for today. They do have someone that's going to use it for firewood, so that's good. Got a nice tap root going on, that's for sure. Wow, look at the size of that tap root. Chimneys. It's all the way out here.
cleared out. I'm going to put a rough grate on it. Although it's really wet, I'm just going to try a back drag. We'll see what happens. Alright, for how wet it is what it is. It's springtime, we got tons of rain. So now this backyard is done. Now we're gonna start tackling this stuff over here.